ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan ra ashapi dak orange Nissan looms hop ho near fire brigade Shillong ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong ka 3 Olives restaurant bala play nakbantaban shakriya phi hapo ka Jingdawa jong ka bio bubble antivirus coating ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom ka jakai le kai bapaw ha Shillong bala yada na ka bio bubble antivirus coating bala le da ka Meva Enterprise
ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization kalapan pau balada ka Sarkar India kampriang ye ka Jingdawa ban pentrai kam ye ka airline permit kane ka kenhon kan kentat ru mardor wat Ïakren Halor ka issue ban wanra ye ka Surok rel ka ba penyesno na ka jela Assam hadu ka snong bernihat ka bahap hapo upur sam jong ka jela Meghalaya.
No ILP, no discussion on railway. Let's not even discuss about it. We are totally reject the idea of even discuss railway project with our ILP. So after ILP is implemented, after ILP has been implemented, still then we may have a thought of a railway because from day one we have make it clear that railway without regulation to regulate entry and settlement of immigrant is not acceptable in our state. So we are not even thinking of even go and meet the DC also. For what should we meet? No? We have make it clear from day one that you bring ILP first, then we will have a discussion. I think there's no need to even discuss a railway with our ILP. Right. Between a good train and a passenger train. Train is a train. The moment a railway is constructed, you cannot say that only a good train will apply. A route is a route, no? Just like any route. You cannot say that this route was meant for good vehicle only. So there is no differentiate between the good train and the because if this train is constructed, if you see at the proposal of the railway ministry, they thought of connecting Assam through Meghalaya to Silchar, the railway. So how can you say that a passenger train which passed through Silchar should not stop in Meghalaya? So train is a train, railway is a railway. Let's not have any differentiate between these two. So let's have ILP in place, first, and then we will have a discussion on railway.